Hello learners, welcome to our today's mathematics lesson. We are going to continue from where we stopped in our last lesson, and the unit is statistics. Today we want to go to a subunit which is known as the measures of central tendency. The measures of central tendency. The unit is statistics. We want to study the measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency. Learners, you remember, I know you went through primary education. You remember the topic averages, the unit averages. And in primary school, we defined an average as a number expressing the central value or quantity in a set of data. Central value, the typical value in a set of data. This is an average. Central value, that's why we are referring to these as measures of central tendency. And learners, there are many measures of central tendency, but this level we will be studying only 3 measures. That is the mean, the mode, and the median. The mean, the mode, and the median. In this sub-unit of measures of central tendency, we are going to study only 3 measures of central tendency, 3 averages: the mean, the mode, and the median. So learners, we will start off by looking at the mean, how to calculate the mean, what is mean, and how do you determine the mean. So learners, we are going to learn how to calculate mean. Let me start from this side. Mean. Now mean is sometimes referred to as the arithmetic mean. And to calculate mean, we may be required to find out the mean of 2 types of data. That is, 1, mean of ungrouped data, and the mean of grouped data. So we start by mean of ungrouped data. If you have an grouped data, how do you calculate the mean? Now the mean for ungrouped data, mean x bar, mean abbreviated as x bar, will be equal to the sum of all quantities. The sum of all quantities in the set of data, we divide by the number of quantities. number of quantities. So if you have a set of data, for you to get the mean x bar, we add all the values in the set of data, then divide by the number of the quantities. Number of quantities. That is how to calculate the mean of grouped data. So let us have an example. Example, I read it. Find the mean of the following marks. Find the mean of the following marks. Find the mean of the following marks. Let me put down the marks. Let me put them down on the board. The mean of the following marks: 9, 5, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 5, 11, 6, 5, 11, 6, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 9, 6, 13, 9, 6, 13, 9, 6, 13, then you have 8, 8, 8, 8, 13, 5, and 10. 5 and 10. So you have 9, 9, 9, 5, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 11, 6, 3, 6, 8, 9, 6, 13, 8, 8, 13, 5, 10. Find the mean. Find the mean. Find the mean. So learners, let's have the answer here. These are marks. So the mean mark. The mean mark will be equal to the sum of all quantities, the sum of all the marks divided by total or the number of marks, the number of marks, the number of marks. So we get the sum. So we'll add 9 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5, then plus 11 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 13 plus 8 plus 8 plus 13 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10. Then we divide by the number of the marks. The number of the marks. Number of the marks: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Number of marks, these are 20. 20. So I take my scientific calculator. So as I take out my scientific calculator, also pull out yours. We add together. 9 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 11 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 13 plus 8 plus 8 plus 13 plus 5 plus 10. This gives me 142. So 142 divided by 20, divide by 20, this 20, this will be equal to 7.1 marks. This is the mean mark. The mean mark is equal to 7.1. 7.1. So learners, that is how to calculate the mean. You get the sum of all data or quantities divided by the number of the marks. Now alternatively, learners, we can prepare or calculate the mean by using a frequency table. Instead of having it this way, you can still calculate the mean, but we use a frequency table. Frequency table can be used to find the mean, and this can be done as follows. We found out that this is equal to 7.1. So we're saying we can still calculate mean by use of frequency table. Frequency table. So we'll have the items here, x, then these are marks, then we'll have frequency. We'll have frequency, or we can still have what we call tally. We can tally. We can do tally here. We can tally. Then we have the frequency. So we can have that frequency table. So the least marks, you can arrange these marks in ascending order. Starting with 3, we have 3. Then we have 4. We have 4. Then they have 5 there. We have 6. Yes, we have 6 there. Right, 6. Do we have 7? No. We have 8. Yes, 8 is there. We write 8. Then we come down. Do we have 9? Yes, 9. You can see 9 there. Come and write 9. Then 10. Yes, 10. Right. The far end there. 10. 11. We have it. Right, 11. Then 12. You have 12, but we have 13. So 13 is the last mark. 13. So we can come here and tally. Tallying. We do the tallying. So 3 marks appears in the distribution or in the data. How many times? We have 1, 2, 1, 2. So we tally 1, 2. Then how about 3, 4? 4. We have 1, only 1. So we do the tally 1. How about 5? 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I come here and do the tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 5. Then 6. How about 6? Have 1. Learners, are you following? 1, 2, 3. Do you have a number 6 appearing here? Frequency. It is only appearing 1, 2, 3. So we come here and tally. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How about 8? Number 8, we have 8 there. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How about 9? 9. 1, 2, only 2 times. 9 appears only 2 times. 1, 2. 10, 10, 10, 10 once. 10 appears once, so I tally once. 11, 11 have once, only once, so I drew 1. 13, 13 learners, 13, 1, 2, twice. 13, 1, 2. So I can come here and count the tallies. So frequency, 1, 2, right there, 2, 1, right, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, the highest frequency. Then 1, 2, 3, 3, about 8, also 3, 9, frequency is 2, 10, frequency 1, 11, frequency 1, 13, frequency 2. Okay, 2. So that is the frequency, and we can get the total. Total will be 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 20. This is the total frequency. Total frequency. Total. Sum of all marks 20. Then learners, that is the first thing to do. We have done determine the frequencies. Then can extend our table here from these frequencies. This is F, denoted as F, frequency denoted as F. So we can come here and get Fx, Fx. Fx means F times X. So the first one is 3 times 2, giving us 6, followed by 4 times 1, giving us 4, then 5 times 5 is 25, then 6 times 3 is equal to 18, 8 times 3 is equal to 24, then 9 times 2 will give us 18, then 10 times 1 is equal to 10, 11 times 1 is equal to 11, then 13 times 2 is equal to 26. So that is the product of X and F. So we will get the total. Add these two, the product of these two. We have 6 plus 4 plus 25 plus 18 plus 24 plus 18 plus 10 plus 11 plus 26. So the total is 142. 142. So that is the total of Fx. So learners, mean X bar will be equal to the sum of Fx over the sum of f. Learners, this sign here is a Greek symbol sigma. It's a Greek symbol, this one here, sigma, meaning sum of, is a symbol in Greek language which means sum of. So this is the sum of fx. Sum of fx. You multiply f by x, then you sum. That's what we've done here. We multiplied x and f, then you have the total, which is the sum. So the sum of fx as calculated is equal to 142. Then we divide by the sum of frequency. The sum of the frequencies is equal to 20, which will give us 7.1. 7.1. This is the answer. And learners, you remember in our first method, the answer was 7.1. So these are two ways in which you can determine the mean, but the preferred method is the frequency table. When you have such a question, then you need to prepare a frequency table first. Then based on the frequency table, you can use this formula to calculate mean of ungrouped data. Mean of ungrouped data. So learners, I'm going to give you assignment. It's important for you to practice on how to calculate mean of ungrouped data. And I've said that the best way to do that is to use a frequency distribution table where you have given ungrouped data. First, you draw a frequency distribution table to represent the data. Then on the basis of that frequency distribution table, you can prepare or calculate the mean. So here is your homework. This is assignment. Assignment 1. Using frequency distribution table, find the mean in questions A to D. In questions A to D. So we have A here, 1, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 11, 12, 14, 19, 21. Then B, 60.1, 60.2, 58.6, 59.7, 59.8. C, 299.4, 299.2, 299.7, 300.2, 300.5, 300.7, 0.7, 300, 301. Then D, 20, 20, 21, 21, 21 again, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, then 23, 23, 23, 23, 23, 23, 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 23 again, 24 5 times, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 24, then 25, 25, 25, 25, 26, 26, 26, 26, 26, 26, 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, 29, 29. So learners, those are 4 questions that I would want you to do before you come to the next lesson, where we will have a look at how to compute mean of grouped data. Thank you and God bless you.